Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest products. Today, we're taking a look at the Vitamix 16Z90 48-ounce food blender. If you've ever had a blender that didn't quite live up to your expectations, or maybe you've had to replace a broken part, you know how important it is to have the right equipment, especially when it comes to the quality of your parts. Let's see how this blender holds up and whether it's the right fit for your kitchen. The Vitamix 1690 48-ounce food blender is designed for serious blending. With its 48-ounce capacity, it's aimed at both home chefs and professionals who need a reliable blender that can handle everything from smoothies to soups, sauces, and even nut butters. What sets this blender apart is its use of high-quality OEM parts, which guarantees compatibility and a high standard of reliability, making it a solid option if you're looking for something that performs well and lasts. This blender boasts multiple speed settings, allowing you to adjust the intensity to suit whatever you're blending. Whether you're mixing delicate ingredients or crushing ice, the control over speed helps you get just the right texture. And if you've used cheaper blenders in the past, you know that it's not just about power, it's about precision. This blender helps to avoid over or under blending, ensuring a smoother, more consistent result every time. Let's talk about how it performs in real-world situations. I put the Vitamix 16Z90 through its paces by blending everything from frozen fruit to leafy greens and nuts. The blender does an excellent job of pulverizing tough ingredients like frozen berries, and it didn't struggle with ice either, turning it into powder in seconds. The multiple speeds made it easy to control, especially when making smoothies and soups. For thicker mixtures like nut butters, I noticed it took a bit longer, but the results were still impressively smooth. The noise level is what you'd expect from a blender of this caliber. It's definitely louder than a low-end model, but it's not unbearable. Now, there are a few things to consider. The Vitamix 16Z90 is certainly an investment. While the blending power and the quality are there, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. Some might argue that for the price, there are alternatives that offer similar features, but with a lower upfront cost. However, when you factor in the quality of the OEM parts, the durability, and the fact that using these genuine parts maintains your warranty, it does offer good long-term value. There's also the matter of size. While the 48-ounce container is perfect for family-sized batches, if you're someone who mostly makes single-serve smoothies, it might feel a bit large for everyday use. One thing I appreciate is the peace of mind that comes with using OEM parts. Knowing that you're getting the same quality as the original parts means fewer worries about breakdowns or compatibility issues, which is a huge plus. Plus, it's less likely to void your warranty, so you can rest assured that you're protected if something goes wrong. In terms of its build quality, the Vitamix 16Z90 feels sturdy and robust. The base is heavy, which helps reduce vibrations when blending, ensuring a more stable experience. The 48-ounce container is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic, and the blade assembly feels sharp and strong. It's clear that Vitamix has put thought into the durability of the blender, and with proper care, this could last you many years. When it comes to value for money, it's important to recognize that this blender sits in the premium price range. However, when you consider the longevity of the parts, the reliability of the motor, and the fact that this blender is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks with ease, it's easy to see why some people are willing to pay the extra cost. If you're looking for a blender that will withstand daily use, make a range of recipes, and last you through multiple years, the Vitamix 16Z90 is a solid option. There are a few alternatives in this price range that offer similar features, such as the Blendtec Total Classic or the Ninja Professional, but they typically have their own strengths and weaknesses. The Blendtec is known for its powerful motor and versatile pre-programmed settings, while the Ninja offers a more budget-friendly option, but doesn't quite match the smoothness and consistency of Vitamix. The Vitamix 16Z90 stands out for its build quality, power, and overall reliability, especially if you want something that's built to last and maintains your warranty with genuine parts. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to Vitamix, but it's worth noting that the brand has a solid reputation for excellent customer service. Their website offers clear instructions and troubleshooting advice, and many users report prompt and helpful responses when dealing with any issues. In conclusion, the Vitamix 16090 48-ounce food blender is a high-performance option for anyone serious about their blending. It offers reliability, power, and precision, making it a standout in the blender market. While it's not the cheapest option out there, its longevity, quality, and compatibility with OEM parts make it a worthy investment for those who use their blender frequently. If you're in the market for a blender that can handle heavy-duty use while maintaining the smoothest results, this is definitely a product to consider. It's best suited for people who prioritize quality and are willing to invest in something that will last. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're considering the Vitamix 16090, the link to purchase it can be found in the comments box. Feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions below, especially if you already own one of these blenders. We'd love to hear your experiences. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to check back next time on Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the best of what's inside.